try not to get your chonies. Hi. It's okay.
Take out your card.
When you're sitting down, they can't see your chonies.
Yeah, I got him.
What does it say?
Oh, sweet.
Let me see.
You gonna read it? Out loud?
Birthday, Keith.
Happy birthday, 7. Happy birthday. No, happy 7th birthday. Happy Keith. 7th birthday, Keith. Happy birthday, Keith. Enjoy your 7th year. Love, Chloe. We love you, Doodle. Right, Mom and Dad.
Who's that on the picture?
Favorite character in my game.
Oh, yeah. I thought it looked familiar, but I thought it was from a movie. All right. You want to open your present?
Count your balloons.
Or,
Okay, open your present.
Go.
7.
Here, just do this. Just do this. Let's just do this. Scooch back over here. Yeah.
Oh no. Little Big Planet 2.
Is that what Santa Claus brought you?
No, Christmas.
Oh, yeah.
I thought it was Little Big Planet 3. I was like,
I don't know. Maybe somebody else will get you that. You gotta go to 2 before you can go to 3.
Okay, happy birthday, Doodlebug.